In this video, we are going over how you can save your last chance to get an iOS 14.4 Uncover Jailbreak. If you don't follow these steps and an iOS 14.4 no PC Uncover Jailbreak for all devices comes out in future, you will not be able to use that because till then, A. Your phone will automatically update itself to the latest unjailbreakable iOS version. B. You will update your phone yourself because you might not know which iOS to stay on. C. Your Apple Watch. Yes, the little guy will cause issues and might force you to update your iPhone, which you don't want. And there are many more reasons. I'll also guide you and share my thoughts on which iOS to stay on. So as a result, after watching this, if an iOS 14.4 no PC Uncover Jailbreak comes out in future for all devices, you will be able to use that because you have already watched this video and well prepared before. But you say, if a jailbreak comes out, how are you so sure that a jailbreak will come out? Listen, for those who don't know, the guy who released the exploit for iOS 14.3, Modern Boner, if we go to their GitHub page, apparently they also have an exploit for iOS 14.4 and 14.5. How do I know? Well, if you go there and scroll all the way down on their GitHub page, it's clearly mentioned. Now, what is an exploit? Exploit is needed to create a jailbreak. It's the most important part, and once found, it's more than likely to be turned into a jailbreak. The first thing you have to do is to turn off automatic updates. Well, simply connect your iPhone to your Mac, run some terminal commands, and then reboot your iPhone 2 times. That's not what you have to do. It's super simple and super easy. Bring your iPhone, open settings, but wait, there's something much more important than this. How will you actually know if a jailbreak comes out at the first place? Well, that's why I've just started a newsletter. I'll link it down in the description below. It's called Jailbreak Snippets. And the idea is, every week I'll send out emails with jailbreak news and my personal recommendations on which iOS to stay. We already have something like 1700 subscribers. It's free to sign up. Back to the video. Software update. Wait for it to load. It might take a couple of minutes. And then click on Customize Automatic Updates. Turn off both the toggles. If that's the case, your device will not automatically update. This is very important, and this way your iPhone will not update itself overnight, and that's what we want. Let's take an example. If you have an iPhone on iOS 14.4, it will not automatically update to iOS 14.5. So this is the most important thing you can do to save your chances to get a jailbreak. The second tip I have to you is coming after a message from our sponsors. This video is brought to you by Alt Activation Unlocker. With the iPhone Unlocker tool, you can easily remove Apple ID from any device. Now look, I know you have seen many sponsored segues where a creator talks about pros of the tool straight up for a minute or two. But this is not one of them. You can go ahead and try these tools for yourself. Don't take my word for it. The links will be down in the description below. Just go ahead and download them for free, try them, and they also help support independent creators like me. And if you love what I do here on this channel, just go ahead and give them a try. They're definitely worth it. Stop updating your iPhones manually. I never update my iPhones. I have an iPhone 11 on iOS 13.7. My main device is on iOS 14.2 and my iPad is on iOS 14.0.1. So I highly recommend to stay as low as possible. If you care about jailbreaking, just don't update your iPhone. And if you are on iOS 14.4.1, 14.4.2 or whichever iOS version, please stay there. Stay as low as you can. And if you don't know what you should do, which iOS should you stay on, should you downgrade if you are on a beta version, well, simply shoot me a message on Twitter. I'll help you. And by the way, you can also follow me. I post cool jailbreak related news and other stuff that you might enjoy. The third tip I have for you, and this is really important, and thanks to iDevice Movies for pointing this out, like this is hands down the best tip, like for me too, because I just recently discovered this. Stop automatic updates for your Apple Watch because your Apple Watch will update and might force you to update your iPhone to be able to use both of those things together. So if that happens, you're forced to update your iPhone too. So you need to stop your watch from updating automatically. Go to the watch app, General, then click on Software Updates. It might take some time to load. Until then, you can hit the like button as it does help the channel. Click on Automatic Updates and turn them off. That's it. That's all you have to do to stop your watch from automatically updating and then maybe forcing your iPhone to update too. And beyond that, make sure to subscribe to this channel, as if you would, hit that like button too. The YouTube algorithm uses engagement factors like likes, comments to determine how far to surface a video. And big thanks if you do that. I really work hard to make sure my content is research backed, detailed, and high production value. And most of the stuff I create on the internet is free. If you're still here for some reason, watching till the very end, please make sure to comment that nerdy face emoji down in the comment section, because I want to know how many actual humans watch my videos till the end. Yeah, because the YouTube Studio app tells a different story. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and peace out.